Hey, Brian from ReChargable. Today I have this compressed air duster. It's basically this. Let me open up the box and show you everything else that came with it. So you can basically get a carrying bag, which is pretty neat. So you can like take and store that in your drawer or whatever. And it comes with a bunch of different nozzles. So that's kind of a little bit of a wider nozzle you get. This has like a brush nozzle that you can spray some stuff down with. And it has a wider nozzle, short stubby, so it's pretty wide to get more of a dispersed air. And then this would be kind of like to help fill up like air mattresses or kind of like beach balls, you know, like the larger things that you blow up with your mouth. So, and on top of that, before I show it to you, it also came with a USB cord. So it's a C, so you know, it's whatever. But if you're like me, you would use canned air like absolutely going out of style. Oh, and you can take this the end of this off. There we go. Once I get a good grip on it. So you can replace that, but hold it in for 3 seconds. And it turns on. And I mean, it's a pretty powerful, and I was trying to figure out how I could show how powerful it is. But so if that gives you an idea, the air kind of blowing through that. So you get another 7 blowing through my mic. And then that's like a high. And we can really see. And then that turns it off. Give you an idea. And the charge lasts a long time. So if you got it like a keyboard, clean your monitors off really quick. And again, it's like crazy how much. So if that was a regular can of air, it'd be gone. So it's also like environmentally friendly, and I mean it works great. Like if you got cell phones that are kind of dusty. And I charged this up and I was running through the house just blowing dust off absolutely everything. And you can probably see all the dust like settling in the air now. But I mean, this thing was great. I mean, the first time I charged it and used it and went through the house, it probably was the equivalent of probably like 6 cans of air. No problem. I mean, that canned air stuff, I use it all the time. I always try to keep my screens and my cameras and everything as clean as I possibly can. So I'm constantly going through stuff. And I love the fact that it's black and orange, so it kind of matches the ReChargable like logos on everything. Went through my car, my truck, and that was all in one charge. So like I said, 6 cans of air, easy, no problem. The other thing that you can like use it for is if you have like some of those air conditioning vents and stuff that you got to clean out and everything. Sometimes vacuuming is great, but it may not get everything out. So you can use this to kind of blast the dust out, and then use your vacuum cleaner to clean all like the, you know, to loosen up dirt and dust that like falls up in the air. But yeah, I mean, what a savings like for canned air. Like, I mean, that's got to be, I know it's not ozone depleting, but just the cans and the air and the propellant and everything else. This is basically just using the air around you, so you don't have to worry about any other chemicals or anything else. And it's rechargeable. So once this charges down, and I mean, hold it for 3 seconds, start it. I mean, it's crazy the velocity. You can see how it kind of depresses my skin in. Just from the air. That gives you some idea of how powerful that actually is. But even like on the lowest setting, I mean, it's still super powerful. You can tell by blowing through my hair. But I mean, this is still one charge, and can you imagine the amount of cans of air that you actually go through? But anyhow, Brian from Garage Mahal, thanks for watching, and what a great product. Be safe out there. And that's Alexa. She's just telling me somebody's coming. Anyway, again, just be safe out there, and what a great, absolutely fantastic product. Not a great product, fantastic product.